And that ball gets into the outfield. Hit hard. Oh, and dropped by the right fielder. Hit the short. Gets past the shortstop. That ball was popped way up. Runner remains at first. Chop for the third. Nice. That ball is popped to just past the second baseman's reach. Runner goes. Safe at second and goes on to third with no attempt. Gets into center field for a single. Popped up. And chopped to third. Gets away. Chop to second. Ball gets away. Runner's going home. Safe at the plate. That ball is hit. That ball is hit over the second baseman's head. One run will score. Scooped up. That ball was hit over the right fielder's head. One run will score. Two runs will score. Ian's got a stand-up double. Out at the plate. Hit up the middle. The 2-0 pitch. That ball was hit. Oh, and caught. Line drive. Caught by the shortstop. What a play. Hit into right field. That ball was popped up.